In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create financial reports in Xero, specifically focusing on generating a profit and loss statement and a balance sheet. So let's dive in and get started with these essential accounting tasks. First, you need to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page and enter your email and password. Once you've inputted your credentials, click on the login button. After logging in successfully, you should find yourself on the Xero dashboard, which acts as the central hub for all your accounting activities. From the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the accounting section. On the top menu, simply click on Accounting and you'll see a drop-down menu where you should select Reports. This is where you'll be making your financial reports today. Let's focus first on creating a profit and loss statement. In the report section, find and click on Income Statement or Profit and Loss, whichever option might be visible to you. This report will give you a summary of your company's revenues and expenses over a specific period. After accessing the Profit and Loss section, your next task is to select the date range for the report. This step is crucial as it determines the period you want to analyze. Make sure to set a period that best suits your business needs. Additionally, there's an option to compare this financial period to last year to analyze growth or decline over time. Select 1 year for a standard annual comparison, and then click Update to refresh the report with the chosen parameters. Once updated, you'll have your data for the profit and loss statement right in front of you. You can analyze the trends and figures to understand better how your business is performing financially. Always remember, next up is generating a balance sheet. To begin this, navigate back to the Report section from the Accounting dropdown, then click on Balance Sheet. This report will give you a snapshot of your company's assets, liabilities, and equity as of a particular date. Like before, start by selecting the date range. There's an option to compare it with previous months, which is excellent for spotting trends or changes in financial health. After setting your desired comparison, click Update to view the refreshed balance sheet. Now the balance sheet data is ready for your analysis. You have several options from here. You can click on Save As to draft or publish the report, or even customize it further according to your needs. Additionally, if you need this data in a different format, Xero allows you to export it as Excel, PDF, or Google Sheets. This functionality ensures you can share or store the reports in your preferred format efficiently. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to create and assess your financial reports in Xero with ease, giving you greater insight into your business's financial performance.